Our covers are made to the traditional and proven fit that has been popular throughout the years, but we've made a number of changes to reduce the maintenance and to increase the safety for your horses in our latest Foxbridge racing covers.
Our innovations are designed to save you time and money. They're designed for horses and better for business.
Let's start at the front. A permanent engraved sizing button has been added so that you can instantly see the size of your horse's covers. The button also carries a serial number so that when your horse goes out for a spell, goes down to the races, you can indisputably track which cover it went with and therefore which cover it should come home with. You can take this one step further, as our friends at Tiako have, and have your own individualised label put on your covers so that you can see clearly where it's come from and brand your business at the same time. Peter's designing low maintenance covers to save you both time and money and has come up with this neck cover attachment which we are so confident about that we will warrant for you for 5 years.
This is a classic example that when they get sewn up and down, there's nothing to stop the sort of torsional pressure that occurs on the neck covers. This one here, it's just the double webbing, and this has been really the industry norm for something like 25 years. This is stage 2 in the life of that same buckle. They get patched and patched. Now, we believe that with a Foxbridge cover, you will save probably $40 to $100 just by not having to maintain your neck cover mounts. In a case like this, we have this ability for the straps to be pulling off. It's made out of a PVC type material which just breaks. I always think of this as being like webbing covered in chocolate. So once it's dried, you can just simply go snap, snap, snap along the webbing, which simply means that it breaks down, it's hard to handle, and in the winter time it's a very unpleasant medium to work with. We have opted to use a material called PN. This is an Australian made plasticated webbing. It's got fundamentally more plasticizers in it, so what it means is that it's much more leather-like type medium and it proves to last longer in the conditions and is just generally much easier to handle. Simple task of refining how we set our holes so that when our neck cover mounts onto our safety block here, it's going to be very, very neat. Good design is also about good aesthetics, and everything we do in our cover design is about making the covers work well. So we say they're designed for horses, better for business, but we also want to make them look really good. If you're needing to roll the neck cover back to get it out of the way when you're taking the cover off, having a nice pliable PN strap makes it very easy. And of course we offer the option to use the equivalent of using a buckle and point the same as this. And again, with the PN which lasts well, it makes it very easy and actually still very quick to use the buckles and points under the neck. I just want to take you back to the absolute importance of good clipping, because if we take the spring bar clip, which has failed on so many occasions, it's presented owners and trainers with the horrific experience of seeing a valuable horse hooked up in a fence or where the covers may have fallen off, wrapped around them, and of course the worst thing that can happen we know is a broken leg, which means it's a terminal outcome for the horse. So I went searching and found this and worked with a company to end up producing this clip which we are using. It's been well accepted in the sports market and we are pleasantly astounded as to how the race market is starting to adopt to this. This is a pressed aluminium clip system, but it has a stainless steel flat spring inside. So it's good durable materials, typical maintenance, just give them a wash once in a while and you'd expect to get a long serving time from a clip like this. The joy of this clip is that's how fast it takes to get off, and equally you can put it on. So if either you're in a hurry, just wanting to save time, or if you've got a twitchy horse, it makes it really easy. It can be done with leather, because we know there are lots of people who like leather, and we certainly don't advocate one material over the other. We let it be your preference. I must say, this synthetic material works really well with the combination of the clips and the adjusting buckles, but we can do it equally on leather. This again is about saving time and saving money, and if we go back to the adage, it's designed for horses, it's better for business. As you can see, we're really passionate about making high quality, durable, functional covers. So I hope you've enjoyed our video.
Come and see us at Matamata Saddlery.